Alright, ATL, this hat is too small. So I know you will be alright with this hat. My head done got bigger. I started putting knowledge in. My head got bigger. I had to get a new hat. You already know I've been wearing this hat. But, alright, today's video, Forex 101, risk-free trading, right? And I meant to put quotes. Actually, I meant to put these quotes right here. Risk-free, right? Is it really risk-free? No. Not at first. Not at first. At first, there's some risk. A little bit of risk. Okay? So, it's a little bit misleading, but stick with me on this and you'll see. Okay? So now, if we take, what do we want to use color for? Price. We want to use like a green, a real green color. We use this one. Okay, so we have price. Actually, you know what? We can just use black. That's fine. But let me explain what we got going here. So we got the red. Obviously, you can see our 1,000 levels. That's our red. This is the closest thing I have to red, so bear with me. Orange. This is the same colors I use on my chart when I do my charts. MetaTrader 5. I use MetaTrader 5. Orange for the 500 level, and then I use yellow for the 250 and the 750. Closest thing I had to yellow was green because it's in that same family shade type of thing. So I just made it real thin, so it would make the difference here. And actually, I could make this real a little bit more thin too, just to kind of give it more visual understanding of what's going on. A little bit more thin on this one. You see how I got it now. This is thicker, a little bit more thin, and a little bit more thin. I do the same thing on my chart. So anyway, let's get to the meat of the video here. So basically, this is what I'm saying. So I'm saying, let's just say we have price right here coming up. Okay, it's doing its thing. Okay, whatever. It comes up. Finally breaks through. Right. Whew. I didn't know if I was gonna be able to do that. Let me shut this window like blind. Let me put this window blind down so y'all can see without the glare. Is that better for y'all? A little bit. There's still some right there, but I would have to close all my windows, and then that would cut down on the light. Because the overhead lighting is not that great. But hopefully you can see this all right. I'll move the camera closer so y'all can see. Move the camera closer, okay? Really get y'all to be able to see this. This is really important that y'all see this, okay? Y'all need to see this, all right? And let me actually get all this stuff out of the way, man. Come on. Move the camera a little bit. Get that glare. Get rid of some of that glare. Okay. Y'all need to see this. What I'm about to say. Okay? That's better for y'all. Now you're talking to me. You're saying, okay, that's good. Move on. Keep going. All right. Yeah. So basically, we have some price action here. I tried to do the best I could for it. You know, And then obviously we have, you know, we have certain uh, levels of interest. Obviously, different places. You know, we have. I try to do that way. Um, you know, I tried to make it to where you have some different areas of kind of interest, support, sort of. You get what I'm saying here. So I tried to make it. I tried to make it make sense, like to where real life market would be um, doing things like that. So obviously, in between here, there's another level you can use. It's called the 125 level. Basically, you know, I'm not going to do it, but there is another level here, which would be like the 1.1 125, and then up here it would be 1.1375, and then up here it would be 1.1625, and right here would be the 1.1875. So those are also additional levels. Hopefully that's, you know, not going to be making that too messy. But anyways, all right. Yeah, so I guess I could have used different colors, different color for that one. It's too late now. But let's just say, I don't even know if I'm going to draw on here where we would like take positions, because I may want to use this for like multiple videos because it just takes so long to draw. You know, I may, if I do make more videos on this, I may fix those colors, but I'm not going to spend that time right now. So, but yeah, let's say if we make an entry somewheres, let's just say we're already looking at the market over here. You get what I'm saying? We're already, even though we've only got this here to see, let's say we zoomed over like this, and we've already watching the market. You know, let's say right here is basically whatever time you want to say it is. You know, we can basically say, you know, it's whatever, it's 10 a.m. Okay, let's say it's 10 a.m. right here. Okay, that's 10 a.m. right there. All right, now you're approaching a key level, right? Okay, is that all right? Can you see that? 10 a.m. we're approaching the 1.1 thousand level. What do we do? What does that mean? Okay, this is what we're asking ourselves. And I'm a little bit OCD, so I got to get that full frame. I hate for that to be cut off right there. Is anyone else OCD like me? If you're OCD like me, leave a comment in the chat and let me know, because I hope I'm not alone in that. Alright, but you're coming up to this 1,000 level, and basically, you know, you see it reject, okay? And now down here, this is going to be some other level here, you know, like we were talking about, you know, because we don't have, so this could be, what's the distance on this one? Let me see. Boom. So this could be like down here, you know, you got that green. Where's that green? That's going to be what that is right here. So this is actually, what's a good distance on that? About like, right, was right about right there. Yeah, this is going to be that light, what's supposed to be yellow, but I don't have any yellow markers. Hopefully I can make this line look alright. It's about like that. Oh, that's so terrible, isn't it? Yeah. But anyways, that's gonna be what it is. You know, it is what it is right there. So, but this is right here. This is the 1.0750. See, because it's like that one, but 1,000 points, 1,000 points down. Okay, so basically, if you look here, this is what happened. It rejected off of this. Let me clean this up. I have to respect myself and y'all. I can't be just having a mess like that. All right. So it rejects real quick right here. Comes up, goes through, comes back down, tests again. You got your double bottom, I guess. Basically, kind of a little bit, sort of, if you want to call it that, or double bottom continuation, right? Like that, whatever. Anyway, but the point, what I'm saying is, and I didn't draw the blue on the key levels because, you know, yeah, you could say definitely this is like here, but the reason I drew these blue is because it's not on a if it puts support and resistance in an area where there's not a key level during the price movement, then you can put that on there in addition to the chart, right? So anyway, but the point is, at first it rejected, okay, but then it quickly went above, comes back and tests. Okay, now boom, obviously right here is where you want to put your entry. Some people would have entered right here. See this? Some people would have entered right there. Okay? Some people would do different things. Some people... Anyway. What color do we want our entry color to be? We said green? Did we say green? What color is that? It's like a brighter green there. Okay, let's say we make our entry here. One entry there. Comes back and tests. You say, all right, well, let's just make another entry right here. Okay. So then it comes up. Okay. Now this is your risk, right here. You say, oh, this is obvious. This is obvious. Okay. Well, I'm still making a video because, you know, it might not be obvious to some people, but good for you if it is. But yeah. So, but what I'm saying is, you take your entry here. And then because you have these significant key levels right here, because you're thinking, man, if we get above that, now be careful, because it could just totally come back down. And you know, this is why, if you're going to enter, try to take you know, what you want to do, you know, you want to enter with when it's above this quarter level, and coming back to test. And as long as it doesn't break too far down below it, then you need to get out of that position, because it's probably going. It might be going down to the next 1.0000, the next 1,000 level. But probably the best thing to do would be to wait for it to get above here and test. And even then, it might break back down below before it goes up. And that happens all the time, especially on GBP USD. But let's just say. You know, let's just say that this is what it is. But, you know, you could take entry here, go up. If you want, if you're really aggressive, you could take another entry here. You know, you can take as many entries as you want, but the point is, you're going to be in profit once this goes up above here, or you're going to be in profit. See, and now you might want to start your risk off just kind of a little bit smaller, so you take smaller multiple positions, or you know, sometimes that's the safest way to go, but sometimes the market just goes way up and doesn't give you time to take multiple positions. So sometimes you just have to take the one position, which is more risky. But the point is that once it gets up above here, now you are in profit from all these positions, or from this positions, whatever positions you took down here, whether it was one or many. Now you're in profit up here, so now you can start. This is where you start taking, quote unquote, risk-free trades right here. So this is going to be risk free. And now if you can get above here, this is a major level. So a lot of times what you'll see is you'll see price reject off of this level, which I was running out of room, I guess. Which it would have made more sense really to take this and make this actually like a rejection of the I don't know, that's super not something that you see. Whatever. That's so bad, isn't it? Anyway, I guess you see sometimes. But, you know, this is a major level, so it's like, you know, you want to be careful about this. So, but once it gets above here, like I said, it could come back down also. Sometimes you see that. But the point is that the further up it gets towards this level, now the key thing I should have probably started the video with is that, you know, price tends to move from 1,000 level to 1,000 level. So you're pretty sure, like, once it gets a certain amount above here, now it could turn around and come back down. Like, we've seen that, you know, but most likely, as long as the fundamentals are in the favor of bull market, as long as everything, the sentiment, the market sentiment, the emotion, the whatever, the momentum, the institutions, the big money, large money, smart money, is mostly long, you know, mostly in buy positions, and you haven't started seeing them take their profits yet, you know, liquidating their positions or whatever, then you can pretty much assume that it's going up to here, right? But, you know, so here's the thing, though. You know, once you're taking multiple positions, if it goes against you, you could end up, well, you know, best case, right? Yeah, it depends on what you do, but, you know, the idea is, like, if it goes against you enough, then you just get out before you start taking losses, right? So you get out at a small profit or you stay in. It's up to you. But the point is that what you want to hope for is you get a good entry down here and you get up here. You start taking more entries as you go, and then you know, you can take entries at different places. But the point is that it becomes risk free as you get up here. So you're in profits, you're taking positions, and then, you know, you take profit right here. And there you go. And that's pretty much the video. Pretty simple. The idea is to get into a good position, find a nice candlestick or something or a nice pattern or something that's going to tell you, yeah, definitely the market looks like it's for sure going up, you know. Like, you know, just whatever, you know, the candlesticks, but like maybe down here you saw a ripping candlestick, you know, something that was really good looking for you, and then maybe here you saw another one, you know. Whatever. I mean, I know that's a little bit crazy right there looking, but maybe, you know, you get the idea, right? Maybe you saw that. Something nice. But yeah, you know, and here, and I'm just gonna keep drawing these because this has got to get in your head that you're looking for nice candlesticks. To make your entries, right? I know that's not perfect drawing, but The reason I'm drawing these is just so you can keep in mind that that this is what you need to be looking for. So to make your entries. But that's pretty much it. This video is 20 minutes. You know, it doesn't need to be any longer than that. So you get the point. Okay. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and appreciate y'all. So if you wanna, you know, I typically don't like to say, you know, if you want to subscribe or like or comment, but definitely, you know, it would help. Look, here's the point. If this video was helpful to you, and you think it'd be helpful to some other people, then that's what you can do. You can like and comment and subscribe, and all that stuff would help other people, because I'm already helped by making this video. See, I'm not trying to make money off YouTube. I'm trying to make money in the market. So this is just for other people and for myself. See, when I make the video, I already helped myself right there, because now I put the information that I had in my head on a whiteboard and reinforced it to myself, right? And I can obviously go back and watch this video, but you know, the rest of the help comes from for y'all, and for if you like and subscribe and comment, it would help other people to see it if you think it's helpful. Anyways, all right, there you go, and that's gonna be the video right here, and maybe I'll use that for my thumbnail. We'll see. All right. Catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. This is Blake, Forex Money Flipper. All right. We'll see you.